school, yes.
I don't know, Mom. I have to write an essay that I can't finish.
My parents immigrated to Lethbridge about 20 years ago. They thought that there would be better job opportunities here in Canada. Going to university was important to me because ever since I was a little kid, my parents have always been pushing me to try my hardest and go to school and be able to get an education. That way I can go and get a good job and have a better future.
And then what you're looking at is...
I changed my major from math to applied statistics because in my second year I took my first statistics class and I absolutely loved it. I realized that I really liked applications of math more than just math itself. I'm so lucky to have received all the scholarships that I have. They have really helped me financially throughout my degree. So being able to have these scholarships, I don't have to worry too much about having to work part-time or where I'm going to pay for my tuition. That way I'm able to focus more on my studying. Once I graduate, I hope to find a job where I am able to use all the skills and the techniques that I've learned my time here at the University of Lethbridge. I would recommend Lethbridge to other people because of our small class sizes here at the university. Honestly, it makes the professors more approachable, and I never hesitate to go speak to a professor about a class or about a subject that I don't understand. And that's something that you might not be able to achieve at larger institutions.